Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into For the Low. My name is Spencer and today I've got this Kenwood AM FM radio to show you. The model number of it is KT-593. But before we get into it, a quick fun fact for you. Do you know who invented AM radio? It was Reginald Fessenden. So if you didn't know that, now you do. Let's go ahead and talk about this. So on the rear panel, you have your antenna connections right here, and then your audio output, and then system control in and out if you want to connect it to a system. And then you have an additional power source input right here if you want to connect another device to it. And then to connect it, you'll plug in your audio cable, and then your antenna, and then your power cord. And then on the front panel of the device, you have your power button right here, and then +10 button, memory button, auto/manual search. If you do that, you can automatically find a certain station. It'll look for it for you, or you can scan through it on your own. And then you have P-call, band. You can switch between AM and FM with that button. Your tuning buttons, you can scan through the stations with that. And then all of your presets are right here. That's pretty much all there is for this Kenwood AM FM radio. You can listen to all your favorite stations with it. But if you want to order one, you can give us a call or check it out on our online store.